As you guys can see, we got a crystal clear drain that's backed up. We believe it's right here. I don't know if you guys saw that. That was a triple whirlpool for a second. All right, there you go. So I'm going to show you guys how big the area was, obviously, right? You got roughly 2.5 parking spaces. You got probably 4 or 5 inches of water deep in the deepest spot. And just for clearance, that's not the word I'm looking for, but anything that goes down this drain goes to the garage basement and goes to a catch basin. So nothing's, if any garbage goes down, it just gets picked up in the catch basin when they clean those out. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Until next time, Trogna.